Hi, here at Nonstop we provide a wide array of products and services. With 6 specialized divisions, we're here to meet all your needs. From our access control systems, to our state-of-the-art high-definition CCTV solutions, to our advanced intercom systems, to welding and door replacement, we install and open most safes and vaults. Our licensed and bonded technicians can not only provide emergency automotive services, they can cut you a fresh key right there on the spot. Nonstop Locksmith will provide you with keyless entry systems to high security hardware for your total peace of mind. Each division is here to meet any and all of your security needs. Our commercial and residential services can be booked at a time that is convenient for you, days, weekends, or evenings. Our technicians carry a complete inventory of parts needed for your job. We're waiting for your call.
Good afternoon, Nonstop Locksmith.